You can see we have a pink one, a green one, now we have a blue one. Just by adding in some groups and sequentially using them, we now have 3 different coloured types of fireworks. The behaviour is exactly the same, but the actual colours that we're using are different. We could even go into group 1, we could set the speed to be, say, 2000. We could go to group 3 and we could set the speed to be, say, 6000. And now we're going to have our 3 rockets all from one emitter, but they'll all be travelling at different speeds. And there you go, you can see that the red ones are much lower, the green are where we were before, and the blue ones have fired out of the top of the viewport. The other great thing about using groups is that we can come to our modifiers, and if we come down and we say, okay, here's our gravity modifier, and you can see here we have an option for the groups that are affected by this modifier. And if we want to say, okay, I only want rocket 3 to be affected, now when we rewind, you'll notice that the pink and the green groups just go straight up. The gravity will not affect them. But the blue, however, will be affected by gravity. And you can see now that the red and the green, or the pink and the green, are getting much, much higher in the scene.